Gamers, coders, and writers, your perfect keyboard is in this list. Want to level up your typing or gaming experience? Mechanical keyboards are a fantastic addition to any workstation or gaming setup due to their superior build quality, tactile feedback, and durability. Unlike membrane keyboards, they use individual switches for each key, providing a more responsive and satisfying typing experience. With customizable switches, keycaps, and RGB lighting, they enhance both comfort and aesthetics. Additionally, high-quality mechanical keyboards can increase the resale value of a system or workstation, as buyers often seek premium peripherals. Their longevity, reliability, and enthusiast appeal make them a worthwhile investment for productivity and competitive gaming, ensuring better performance and a higher perceived value for the entire setup. A great mechanical keyboard can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the 10 best mechanical keyboards you can buy right now. Whether you're looking for a compact design or a high-performance gaming machine, we've got you covered. But first, here's a fun challenge. What is the oldest mechanical keyboard switch type still widely used today? Think about it, and we'll reveal the answer just before we unveil our #1 pick. And don't forget, links to all these keyboards are in the description if you want to check them out. Starting off at number 10, if customization is your thing, the SteelSeries Apex Pro stands out from the crowd. It features OmniPoint adjustable switches, allowing you to change the actuation point of each key. That means ultra-fast response for gaming and deeper keystrokes for typing, all in one keyboard. The OLED Smart Display adds a high-tech touch, while the durable aluminum frame ensures it lasts for years. If you want the ultimate personalized keyboard experience, this one's for you. Need something wireless but still powerful? At number 9, the Keychron K8. A Bluetooth mechanical keyboard that pairs with up to 3 devices, making it great for multitasking across computers, tablets, and even phones. Plus, it's hot swappable, meaning you can swap out switches anytime without soldering. With a battery life of up to 240 hours, this is one of the longest-lasting wireless mechanical keyboards out there. Next at number 8, the Corsair K100 RGB. If speed is everything, this one is built for you. It features OPX optical mechanical switches, which activate 4 times faster than standard mechanical switches. With an 8,000 Hz polling rate, you'll experience near-instant response times. Plus, its aluminum frame, per-key RGB lighting, and IQE control wheel make it feel premium. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or need a lightning-fast keyboard, the K100 RGB won't disappoint. At number 7, low-profile keyboards are trending, and the Logitech G915 TKL is one of the best. Featuring low-profile GL switches, it offers a sleek and slim design while maintaining that satisfying mechanical feel. It's wireless with Lightspeed technology, ensuring a lag-free experience. With a 40-hour battery life, you won't be reaching for the charger anytime soon. If you want a modern, wireless, and stylish mechanical keyboard, this is the one. Coming in at number 6. For minimalist enthusiasts, the Leopold FC660M is an incredibly well-built keyboard offering a top-tier typing experience. It features Cherry MX switches, thick PBT keycaps, and a solid, compact frame. The 65% layout removes unnecessary keys while keeping essential functions accessible. If you prefer a clean, professional, and premium keyboard, this one's hard to beat. At number 5, for serious keyboard enthusiasts, the Drop ALT is a dream board. It comes with a hot swappable PCB, aluminum frame, and PBT keycaps, making it perfect for customization. Plus, QMK/VIA support lets you remap every key and create custom layouts. Whether you love experimenting with different switches or fine-tuning every setting, the Drop ALT is one of the best custom mechanical keyboards available. At number 4, if you want cutting-edge technology, check out the Razer Huntsman V2 Analog. It features analog optical switches, allowing for adjustable actuation points, meaning you can set keys to activate at different depths. This is amazing for gaming, as it lets you control movement like an analog joystick. Add in Razer's iconic RGB lighting, a durable aluminum top plate, and ultra-fast performance, and you've got a keyboard built to dominate. Next at number 3, Ducky keyboards are known for their premium build quality, and the Ducky 1-3 is no exception. Featuring hot swappable switches, you can customize your typing experience on the fly. The double-shot PBT keycaps ensure long-lasting durability, and the vibrant designs make this keyboard stand out. Whether you're gaming, working, or typing all day, the Ducky 1-3 is a top-tier choice. Now, for the ultimate typing keyboard, at number 2, the Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional 2, aka the HHKB Pro 2. This legendary 60% keyboard features Topri electrocapacitive switches, known for their silky smooth feel and quiet sound. Built for minimalists and professionals, its ergonomic layout reduces finger movement. If you want the absolute best typing experience, this is one of the most beloved mechanical keyboards ever made. Remember our trivia question? What is the oldest mechanical keyboard switch type still widely used today? The answer is Cherry MX switches. First introduced in 1983, Cherry MX switches have remained the gold standard for mechanical keyboards for over 40 years. And finally, at the top of our list is the Keychron Q1, one of the best custom mechanical keyboards ever made. It features a fully CNC machined aluminum body, hot swappable switches, and a gasket mount construction for an ultra-satisfying typing feel. Plus, with QMK/VIA support, you can remap every key and truly make this keyboard your own. Whether you're a gamer, programmer, or keyboard enthusiast, the Keychron Q1 is an amazing choice. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best mechanical keyboards you can buy right now. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Remember, links to all these keyboards are in the description, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. Engagement, likes, comments, shares, and watch time plays a crucial role in helping YouTube creators reach a broader audience. The algorithm favors highly engaged content, pushing it to more viewers through recommendations. For smaller channels, this is essential, as increased engagement boosts visibility, attracting new subscribers and growing the community. Encouraging interaction not only improves rankings, but also builds loyal audiences, helping creators gain momentum and compete with larger channels. So if this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to let it like, share, and subscribe and comment on stuff you like, even stuff you don't like. Then remember to be nice here to community guidelines, and then your comment might be featured in another video. Mechanical keyboards aren't just about performance, they're about personal preference. Let us know in the comments too, what features matter most to you when choosing a mechanical keyboard. If you love great tech, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of our other awesome tech videos linked right here. See you in the next one.